Yes, as you must have heard, that Simon Ekpa will be going to court. They are charging him to court. If you see the charges from the Finnish newspaper, you see, they are charging him for inciting people to violence, or to terrorism or whatever. So the thing is, when you look at this now, they'll be going to court. The first I will tell you is that it's a win-win situation for us, because Biafra will be discussed on the international level. You know, the Finnish court is not like the Nigerian court, where they will, manipulate everything. Everything, all the evidences will be laid bare for all to see. Another good thing about this development now is that when the case is finished and Simon Ekpa is exonerated, then he have gone through all the processes. The Finnish court is not doing it because they know, they are sure they will win, because it will be a debate. It's not a sure banker. It's according to the evidence. They don't do technicality here. That is about national security, or this. Evidences will be laid bare. Simon Ekpa and the lawyers, his lawyers has evidence. The Nigerian has their own evidence. A lot have happened in our land. The whole world knows that. Even Amnesty International have also, when they were killing us in Aba and every other places, they covered a lot of things, and we have all the clips. You see? So it's part of the evidence. Another thing is that, what Nigeria wanted, they didn't get it. Nigeria is not even interested in this court case, because they know that they have lost what they wanted. What Nigeria wanted was extradition. That this court will be extradition case, so that after the case, then they will, if they win, they will extradite him to Nigeria. But once they finish this one now in Finland, then, and why they're doing it is because Simon Ekpa was broadcasting from their country. So there's no need. If we others do something saying that it was because of his incitement, then it doesn't concern Simon Ekpa. You see what I mean? That's why that's why I told you in the start that they will never extradite him to Nigeria. Rest assured. And it's happening now. Then, after this court case, if he wins, he will be paid huge, not only in monetary terms, but international recognition, fame. And he will come out with full chest to fight for the freedom of the Biafran people. The Biafran case will be another, just a lot of things will be revealed on this trial. Be rest assured. So that's what the update I'm going to give you now. So be happy. Do not be, do not feel defeated, because our case is just starting. You see, kudos to all. We are winning. Yes. Finland will be exposed if they do any wrong thing. The world is watching. So they will be very careful. Don't worry about that. Because the evidence they saw from Nigeria, they will be trashed by the evidence he will provide himself. So let's see how it goes. All right? All hail Biafra. Let's keep moving. Do not, consistency is the key. Do not stop. You can see what's happening. Do not stop. And don't play. Don't play. If you play, you learn the hard way.
A lot of groundbreaking and a lot of surprising event has unfolded in Finland regarding Mr. Simon, a man held in a Finnish correctional center. Yes, as we speak, the president of Finland is currently in a big trouble and in a big mess, because the politician in Turkey and South Africa has linked him with a terror group. Yes, in this video, we shall be disclosing and exposing every single thing that you need to know and understand regarding this particular case of the Finnish president. And that is not even all. Mr. Simon has done the impossible. He has done something nobody was expecting him to do at this particular point in time. Simon has appointed a lawyer from Iran to join his legal counsel team moving into the Paijehami District Court. Why will Simon appoint an individual from Iran? Well, in this video, we shall be explaining and critically analyzing every single thing that has happened behind the scenes so you can see and understand things for yourself. Well, first thing first, let's start with the president of Finland in the person of Alexander Stubb. Well, 3 days ago, we made a video stating categorically that the country of Russia and the country of Sweden has placed a series of restrictions on Finland because of the way and manner the president has handled the case of Mr. Simon. But as we speak, things have gotten really, really bad. Yes. Now, an individual from Turkey who happens to be a top politician in South Africa came out to give some big expose to the ICJ, International Court of Justice, regarding the Finnish president and how he has been linked heavily with terror groups. So the question here is, who is this individual and what did he have to say or report to the ICJ? Well, a man known as Mehmet Vefa Dag, who originally is from Turkey but resides or lives in South Africa and now is a politician in that country, came out to make strong statements which he has submitted to the ICJ. So what did this man say? What did Mehmet Vefa Dag say or submitted to the ICJ? Well, take a look at this publication coming from this man, released or published 20 hours ago. It states, anybody who is found associating with founders of terrorist group is a terrorist. Yes, this man also tagged the current Finnish president in the person of Alexander Stubb in this particular statement. He also went a step further to state that you are in the list now. That is, Alexander Stubb is now in the list. Your name will forever be remembered as that president of Finland who supported Nigeria's government to slaughter the USB citizens today, tomorrow, and the future. This is coming from Mehmet Vefa Dag. And like I said, this man originally is from the country of Turkey. So the question here is, why is this man Mehmet Vefa Dag calling the sitting president of Finland as a terrorist? Well, based on the documents he submitted to the ICJ to prosecute the president of Finland, he claimed that Alexander Stubb once upon a time had a meeting with Kashim Shettima, who is the vice president of Nigeria. Yes, Alexander Stubb had a closed-door meeting with Kashim Shettima, and just in case you don't know, many believe that Kashim Shettima is a sponsor of, or he is a principal sponsor of a particular terror group in Nigeria. Showing right now on your screen is a popular image or a picture of Kashim Shettima having or eating together with suspected individuals of the BK terror group. Yes, I can't pronounce that name right now, but we all know what I'm talking about. Yes, so this man known as Mehmet Vefa Dag is claiming that Kashim Shettima is a member of this group. He's a sponsor, a principal sponsor of this particular group in Nigeria, and he has no right to detain Mr. Simon. He also went a step further to attach a statement coming from Femi Fani Kayode, which was published on the 14th of December of 2017, where it states, in Maiduguri, the citizens know that Governor Shettima is the BH boss and the keeper of Chibok girls. And this statement was made by Ali Modu Sharif. Shettima is indeed the keeper of Chibok girls, while Sharif himself is the founder and the father of this BH group. Yes, these are the documents presented by this activist from Turkey and South Africa. They've submitted these files to the ICJ, stating categorically that the president of Finland has associated with individuals who are known to be sponsors of terror groups in the country. And this man did not even stop there. Yes, this activist or this politician did not even stop there. He also claimed that if the president of Finland is claiming that Simon incited a series of violence in Nigeria, it simply means that he himself, the president Alexander Stubb, has over time incited violence, because showing right now on your screen is a picture of Simon and the president of Finland when these both individuals attended a top event in that country's political scenes. So they are claiming that if Simon is this, then the president of Finland definitely is that same thing. These are the exact words coming from Mehmet Vefa Dag. These are not my own words. I'm just here to showcase and show you what is currently happening.